Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's lesson we are soloing in the key of A major. Okay, we're going to start here on our third string, second fret, which is our A note. So hit that 2 times and then hammer onto 4. Then you're going to slide up to 6, so all one motion here. Then you're going to do a half bend on 6. Excuse me, that takes you up to 7. Back to 6. You're going to play 4 and slide that back to 2. You go to your 4th string, your D string, and play 2, hammer on the 4. After you do your hammer on the 4, you're going to do 4, slide up to 6. Then you're going to do a half bend on 6, pull down, and then back to 6 here, okay? So the whole lick looks like this. You can try pulling down the half bend if you like, or pushing up, okay? Either way works. And that's lick 1. Okay, lick 2. We have a legato run. We're going to start here on our D string, 4th fret. You're going to play 4, 6, and 7 on your D string. You'll play 4, 6, and 7 on your G string. Okay, so after I do my legato run, okay, so that's our first part. So once you do your run, that last note you play, so once you play the 7 on the G, you're going to play 6, 4 on the G. I'm just going to work your way back. Second finger grabs 5 on the B there, okay? Okay, so after I do that, the same lick again. I'll come come up here. I'll work my way back, come up to the 7th fret on the D, and then play your 6th on the D and pull down half a bend. Okay. So the whole lick looks like this. So just that little legato run is a little quick. Okay, you start off. And that is lick 2. Okay, so lick 3. Do a full bend on your 12th fret of your B string and grab the 12th fret of your high E, hold that note. Then after you hold the note, you're going to bend it up again and release it to 10. Then you'll play 9, 10 after that, okay? This is on your B string here. Okay, and then we're going to do this one more time. Instead of doing the 9, 10, you can do 10, 12. Okay, so we'll do that 2 times. And then the second time I finish it with this little blues lick. And that's just an A major, so I'll slide up with my 2nd finger on the 3rd string to 9 and grab 9 on the high E. I'll do 7 and 7, okay, so G on your G and high E string. And then you're going to do your A major shape here, okay, so you're on your 6th fret of your G and your 5th fret of your high E. And let's lick 3. Friends, hope you got something from this lesson. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys at the next video lesson.